Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, MotoSpectrum. Today, we're stepping into a different kind of beast. This isn't a supercar or a hypertruck. No, this is the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach, a luxury mansion on wheels that redefines what it means to travel in style. From the outside, it might look like just another high-end tour bus, but look closer. The gleaming stainless steel, the meticulously hand-painted graphics, the sheer presence of this machine commands respect. Every inch of this coach is built for those who don't just want comfort. They demand excellence. Step inside, and the world changes. The interior is a symphony of craftsmanship. Hand-stitched Italian leather, exotic wood veneers, quartz countertops, and a lighting system so finely tuned, it feels like you're in a luxury hotel suite. And you are, but it moves. The 2025 Liberty Coach doesn't just pamper you, it empowers you. With Crestron automation, you control your environment with a single touch. Lights, climate, entertainment. It's all synced to your mood. Want to wake up to sunlight and soft jazz? Done. Prefer blackout blinds and surround sound movies? Easy. But comfort is just one layer of this masterpiece. Underneath, it's powered by a Volvo D13 engine, churning out 500 horsepower and a massive 1,850 lb-ft of torque. This coach might weigh over 50,000 pounds, but it rides like a cloud. The air suspension system adapts to every bump and turn, making long-distance travel smoother than ever. Behind the wheel, it's like piloting a private jet on the road. A fully digital cockpit, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, 360-degree cameras. It's built for both luxury and safety. Whether you're the driver or the passenger, every mile feels like a first-class journey. The Master Suite is pure serenity. A king-size bed with underlighting, a full-sized wardrobe, hidden storage compartment,